right now.
Number 109.
Run the wiring for all the color. This has been
No mercy for you, no worries for you. That Game of Thrones, go Cersei on you. I flipped the script, I roll the dice. Don't fall asleep, cause I'm working nights. Hey, you tryna shut me out, it's getting blatant. Hey, I come and see you now, no hesitation. Yeah, I'm really, really tired of being patient. Hey, if you won't give it to me, I'ma take it. Take it. Give it to me, I'ma take it. Take it. If you won't give it to me, I'ma take it. But if they never told you.
And it's done. Check it out. We have the tints all done. Beautiful color. Now it's that true deep black that I was looking for. Not that faded purple. And now the side looks great. Check that out. It's beautiful now. All the moldings blend in perfectly with the tint itself. In the back as well. They told me I did a pretty good job with the removal of the tint. So I'm very happy with the outcome. Very, very happy. So one less thing to do, and now we can jump onto other things. So let's get started. So what's up, guys? Welcome to another video, and as you can see, guys, we're rolling and we're getting things done now. I'm very excited to actually start working in the interior, which is gonna involve a bunch of upgrades, such as the Recaro change. We're going to go from red from the previous year, or from my current setup. We're going to go from that to the blue Recaros, including the seats and also the door panels. Right now I'm only sitting in one of them because we have the other one already installed. Most of you have seen the photos on Instagram that I had the red on the driver's side, and the passenger side I have the blues. So right now we're just gonna complete the interior. No sense on showing both sides because you can actually do the driver's side and it's the same thing for the passenger side. I've actually had a bunch of requests showing how to install Recaro seats. It's very simple, guys, and it only takes a few bolts and a few clips to remove all the airbag connection. Regarding the airbags, I'm going to show you guys how to stop that SRS light from coming on when you do the swap from the stock seats to the Recaros. So that's gonna help you guys out a lot. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that in this video. It's very straightforward. I'm gonna lay everything out and explain step by step what you need to do in order to swap your stock seats to Recaro seats. So enough talking, guys. Let's start working in the interior of this car and get things done. And of course, guys, we have the blue Recaro SR4 seats from the DC5 Type R. It's a beautiful seat, very rare in the market, and this one is actually in really good shape. So you can see, this is the driver's side, beautiful shape. So let's get inside the car and see what we have to work with. So now we have the red DC5 SR4, also from the Type R, of course. And you can see that we have the passenger already done in the blue finish, which is great. So we're gonna start removing this one and get things changed over, including the door panel. We have the impact gun right here set up with a 14mm deep socket. You're going to start removing the bolts that are located in the front, and you only have 2 of them, which is right about there. I'm gonna remove this mat so we have more space, but you have one in this corner and the other one, it's over there as well. We're gonna move the seat forward so we have more space. Push this clip like this, and you're going to find the other 2 bolts that need to be removed. The other one's right there. If you're removing the factory seats, you're going to find 2 clips that involves the SRS airbag, and the other clip is for the seat belt buckle. So you're going to remove those 2. Wow, check that out. I found a water bottle. I have no idea how long that's been there. That's probably super old. I actually had tucked away the wires that I had here for the factory seat. But you can do the same thing. Kind of do all the work that you need to do, which I'm going to explain in just a second. You just tuck it away underneath here because you're not going to need that ever again. So I took the wiring out of there. And the factory one is going to look very similar to this, except it's gonna have 2 yellow clips. So you pretty much are going to cut those 2 yellow clips. So you're going to get 2 ohm resistors in order to mimic the resistance on the circuit to make it think that the airbag and the belt buckle is still in place. So put one on the belt buckle and the other for the SRS airbag clip. You put that resistor as well. So very simple, guys. You're just gonna tuck it away. It's very safe. The SRS light is gonna be off, and you're not gonna have any issues. My airbags are fully working, and there's nothing to worry about. So just tuck this away, and let's move on to the passenger side. All right. So I took everything out of a black bag that I have back here. This is pretty much everything that is in the passenger seat or off your stock seat. So we basically have the entire seat in the car minus the physical seat. So what I'm saying is I actually took my factory seat, which is not this, but the leather stock Type S seats or the Recaro seats. I took the leather covering off of it and I removed all the sensors that were on the seat, and I pretty much just put them in the car, and that's gonna make the system think that the seat's still in the car. The reason why we're doing all of this is because the Type R's do not have side airbags. So this system right here, it's from the passenger seat and it's only found in the passenger seat. The system is not found on the driver's seat, so you don't have to do it twice. Just remove this box that is pretty much in this side. Rip that out and follow all the wiring inside the seat and remove all your seat sensors. You pretty much sit on this. The red light on the dashboard shuts off, letting the system know that there is a passenger in the car. So basically just rip that out. This is the bottom portion and this is the back portion. So this part right here goes here, and this right here, well, it all looks like a mess, but these right here, the smaller ones, they came from the factory seat from the backrest. Put it in the black bag and connect it onto the car. As you can tell, there's the connection coming from the car. Just plug everything up and tuck it away. I usually have it underneath the passenger seat so it's not visible. Like I said, guys, just take a black bag and store it underneath there and you should be good. You do not have the seatbelt buckle sensor on the passenger side, you only have it on the driver's side. So you're gonna use the two ohm resistors on this side, and you're going to rip off all the sensors from your stock seat and just put it in a bag, tuck them away, and call it a day. So I'm gonna demonstrate you that it works. So we're gonna turn all the lights. See? All the lights are off. My dashboard is clean and clear from light, except this because I don't have the car on. So as you can see, guys, the airbag lights are off and it's fully working. Now we're going to install the blue seat, which is right there. I absolutely love the red. It's actually one of my favorites, but I want to try out something new. I want to install the blue seat, but I'm definitely going to store these for a rainy day. I'm not sure if I'm going to go back to it, but I absolutely love these seats and these are in great condition, and I'm definitely keeping these. Most of the time I actually just store the parts that I take off this car. I do not sell my personal parts. They're actually good to have for future because they are becoming super rare in the market and they're very limited now. At least the good condition ones. You're gonna find a bunch of trash ones online, but I usually sell the best seats in the market. There's no doubt about it. Same thing with the blue Recaro seats. So I have laid down the seats because I wanted to show you guys how to transfer over the brackets or how to install Type R brackets. By the way, these bolt onto the DC5, the USDM like nothing. These are the same chassis. The only difference between the Type R and the USDM Type S is the left and right hand drive. That's pretty much it. But the chassis is still the same, especially all the bolting points. All these bolting points are the same, so you don't have to worry about that. I'm going to show you how to transfer or install the Type R bracket onto the Type R Recaro seat. So let's start by doing that, which is held with 3 10mm bolts right there, and you have 3 more in this side as well. Check it out. Look at that. Wow, now that it's completely blue, I absolutely love it. I thought it was gonna be a little bit off, you know, because it's not red. Red kind of stands out a lot, but this is very subtle, and I love how it matches the car too. Check it out. You can see a little bit of a blue. So I like looking at the car, and then you look inside. It looks awesome. So let's get started on the door panel.
Said I feel brand new. Feel brand new. Yeah, I'm wound up into me, step up, I've been waiting all day. Into the game like I'm wearing warm-ups, nah, I don't play. Born with a curse, fake rappers in my universe, that's sway. Man to the game, so if you catch me with a stack, that's bait. Woo! Usually rhyming is where you can find me. Ain't no rowing team, but the crew behind me. Fake friends kill me, but the truth revive me. Winning despite the fact you despise me. All I do is rep the homies, homie. I don't listen to birds, you gotta show me. You ain't talking money, then you talking cheap. We a pack of wolves and we gotta eat.
Yeah, feel brand new, feel brand new, feel brand new. Me and my crew, feel brand new, feel brand new. So we feel brand new, feel brand new, feel brand new. Me and my crew.
All we ever do is thunder up. We hit the stage, we ready to rage, we thunder up. Thunder up. Stay in your place, we get in your face and thunder up. Thunder up. We hit the stage, we ready to rage, we thunder up. Thunder up. Stay in your place, we get in your face and thunder up. We gonna thunder up. open the door, let me tell you what it's in for. Had enough for my old friends, yeah, I just knew that I wanted more. They was too concerned with what they wore, meanwhile I was running up the score. Now everywhere I land.
So we have the blue panel here. We're going to do everything in reverse, and that's pretty much it. There you have it, guys. Check it out. I can't stress enough how beautiful that looks. I thought I wasn't gonna like it that much, but man, the contrast of everything is looking really good. Blue and red, guys. Beautiful theme. Alright guys, so thanks so much for watching. That's gonna be it for today's video. So make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want to see a lot more content. Regarding the blue seats, what can I say? It looks absolutely beautiful, and it turned out better than I thought. The red is awesome, but I think I'm liking the blue more. So what do you guys think? Make sure you leave your comments below and interact with me. I love answering the questions and comments. Make sure you save this video because that SRS mod there's not a lot of information about it on the internet. So there you guys have it. You're gonna get rid of that annoying SRS light. It's very annoying when it goes on, and I'm glad that I can help you guys out. Also guys, make sure you go check out the website. We always upload new products every single day, so make sure you check it out. As always guys, thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, peace.
Feel brand new, feel brand new, feel brand new, me and my crew, feel brand new, feel brand new, so we feel brand new, feel brand new, feel brand new, me and my crew. Nothing you can do when we thunder up. We hit the stage, we ready to raise, we thunder up. Stay in your place, we get in your face and thunder up. We hit the stage, we ready to raise, we thunder up. Stay in your place, we get in your face and thunder up. We hit the stage, we ready to raise, we thunder up. Stay in your place, we get in your face and thunder up. We hit the stage, we ready to raise, we thunder up. Stay in your place, we get in your face and thunder up. Yeah, thunder up. Thunder up. So they feel brand new. Thunder up. Thunder up.